Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my very first Apple Watch. I am so excited for this. I did get it in the Starlight color, the GPS version. The band size, I did use the small medium because I have a small wrist. But I just wanted to apologize in advance for the original audio because I did not want the background noise of people talking and then the music of the Apple Store playing. I did not want to get copyrighted for that. But anyways, I do love this color. I use my watch every day. I got it about a week and a half ago and I am loving it. If you guys want me to do a little what's on my Apple Watch video, let me know down below and I'd be happy to do it for you guys. Also, let me know what you guys have been up to lately. I've been meaning to upload a video for the longest time, but I haven't had the time to do so. I'm currently on my externship site. I believe I told you guys before I am doing medical assistant training. So right now I'm at my clinical site doing my clinical hours. But for right now, I'm doing this unboxing video for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed and let me know what you guys like, and if you do have an Apple Watch, what color do you have it? Like I said, this is a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, and subscribe down below.